Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's definitely been a minute that I haven't recorded a video like this because I've been posting shorts, but I haven't picked up the camera and recorded myself. So today is a good day because I'm about to clean up or detail clean my desk or my little office area because it's a total mess. I'm about to show you guys right now, but I hope this video inspires you or motivates you to go ahead and detail, declutter, or something. I'm gonna try to put some cool music in the background, either do a voiceover or music in the background. I don't know. We'll figure that out later when I'm editing. But anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is my little section, and now we have like the cat thing over here, so I'm debating if I want to move that. That's Diva right there right now. But yeah, definitely I'm debating where if I want to keep my little office section here because it's very dark on this side, but then again my diner's on the other side. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's all a disaster, especially on top of here and here. I feel like down there is not that bad, but this is where you're gonna see the definitely notice a difference. So yeah, let's get cleaning.
When you're down and feeling like you're lonely, someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love? Can you feel it? Can you feel the love?
Alright guys, I'm finally done cleaning it out, and then look at the difference. Don't mind the outside. But anyway, you guys, enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye! You guys, guess what? I just found a mouse. I found it. It was out there. Yeah, I'm about to get some work done. I'm so happy. It feels so good.